Hello everyone, let's start how to make Google Drive file available offline. So first open your Google Drive and select the file. So I select here the income and expense. Then right click on the mouse and here you can see the one option make available offline. But this option is not visible. To make it visible, you need to go to Google Drive setting. So for that, go to the right hand side and click on this gear icon, the settings option, and click on the settings and scroll down, and in offline click on this checkbox, and that's it. Go back again. Here the setting of the offline is in process. Now simply select the file, then right click on the mouse. Now here you can see the make available offline is visible. And here you can see the making one file available offline. So that's it. So this is a way you can make the Google Drive file available offline. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.